Good morning, you guys. Happy Saturday. Welcome back to my channel, Cleaning and Clearing Clutter with Carrie. Today, I am doing a Saturday reset of our kitchen. So, dishes that need to be put away. Stacy did those yesterday. Chips and stuff on the stove and the counter that can be put away. Dishes to do, things to put away. Just a reset. So for those of you who are new, my name is Carrie and my channel is Cleaning and Clearing Clutter with Carrie. It's actually kind of morphed a little bit because originally I started my channel in January of 2024 to document my journey cleaning and clearing clutter in our home, decluttering, kind of purging, all the things. And I knew I wouldn't get done in the year. Started way before then, but I knew I wouldn't get that all done in the year. And so here we are in 2025 and I'm still moving and grooving, decluttering and organizing and purging and all the things. But my channel has kind of morphed a little bit too because I've enjoyed watching grocery hauls. So I've done a few grocery hauls. I've really enjoyed watching thrift hauls. So I've done a few thrift hauls. Chat with me's. I've watched a few of those that I've really enjoyed. So I may do a Friday afternoon chat with me moving forward. But today, it's just about resetting the kitchen, cleaning out the refrigerator. That's a hot mess. So I don't have all of the things to like fast forward and to like play music and all that. My videos are in the moment, for lack of a better word or phrase, in the moment. So I'm just gonna clean and I'll come back on here and chit chat a little bit, but basically the sounds that you're gonna be hearing are the sounds of me resetting the kitchen, the dishes, the clinking and the clunking of dishes and things like that, putting things away. And just hopefully motivate and encourage and inspire you guys to do a little reset. I watch several of you that really keep me motivated and inspired. And again, this channel is also for accountability, I guess. My challenges, I did super in January, did super in February. My March challenge is not going so well. Moving and grooving in March was my challenge. That's not going so well. So I'm up off my butt today. Gonna move and groove in the kitchen, reset, and just get it done. So happy Saturday, and I'm gonna get to cleaning this mess up. So first thing I'm gonna do is put these dishes away. That's what I'm gonna do first. It's a day in the life. It's a day in the life. It's a day in the life with Carrie. Which starts with my coffee. Iced coffee. It's Pepsi. That's my coffee. Don't judge. Don't judge. Okay, that needs to be again. I can feel it. I can feel it. What are y'all doing today? Are you doing a reset in your home? So I don't know about y'all, but this just makes me tick. One of the girls that I watch, I gotta stop for a second here. One of the girls that I watch, her name is Jen, and her channel is Love Mrs. G. And I have to tell you that she is one of those that I watch and I'm instantly motivated. But yesterday I watched her and she said something that resonated with me because it was like me talking. One of the things, like, people think I'm crazy because I do enjoy this housework stuff. I really do enjoy it. And one of the things that she said was that she always wanted to be a mom, a housewife, and a homemaker. She just wanted to make a home, and that's what I wanted to do. Like, I had no desire to go to college. I had no desire to have a career. I wanted to be a wife, I wanted to be a mother, and I wanted to be a homemaker. And so right now, I'm getting to live that. I am a mom, I am a wife, and I'm a homemaker, and I'm getting to do more of that now. So I'm in my element. And like I said, Jen, her channel is Love Mrs. G. She's very encouraging, very inspiring, and I just love her. I just absolutely love her, and I love her channel. This one. God forbid we put things away when we get them out. Y'all, here's a good snack. Oh, if you're having a snack attack. 7 grams of protein, 7 carbs, 190 calories. It's delish. They're delish. They're delicious. Right away. Thinking I need to do a pantry reset. You know what a reset is, y'all? A reset is catching up after doing things and just not putting things away. That's what a reset is. That is what a reset is. Last night, one of my challenges coming up is going to bed with a shiny sink. All dishes done, you know. Not having to do a reset. Not having to do a reset. Waking up with a shiny sink. So that's a fly lady thing. Shiny sink. And even though we're pretty good about it, there are days, like last night, I had a salad, she had a sandwich, and our dishes are still here. We had a Friday night sit on your butt and watch 2020 marathon thing going on last night. So, we just got a lot of dishes, and it doesn't take much time. So why did I not do it last night? I didn't want to. I didn't want to. So now I'm on here doing a reset. I have a lot of resetting to do. I'm cleaning carpets today too. I have Stacy's office done. I'm getting ready to do the dining room. And then I'm going to do the living room and then our bedroom. Because you know we have a puppy. He still hasn't grabbed the concept. He does go outside. It's not that he doesn't go outside. He does go outside. But he hasn't grabbed the concept that it's every time. Like every time you gotta go potty or poo, out the door you go. See, why don't I do that in the evening? Or why didn't I? Why didn't I do that in the evening? I don't know. It's okay, I'm doing it now. That needs refilled, that needs loaded. Dirty. Okay. I don't know. I don't know if this is motivating you or not, y'all, but it's motivating me. Motivating me. It is motivating me. Cold water rinse. Cold water dissolves the bubbles, you guys. A good piece of information right there. Cold water dissolves, hot water makes. Dissolve all these bubbles. Alright, see, the kitchen sink thing cleaned last night. Alright, let me put that in the sink. Now, we're going to be crooked. Clean this counter. This right here, wiping like this, y'all. I've been in physical therapy for 2 weeks for my shoulders. I injured both of my shoulders in 2 separate falls. But I went to physical therapy and it's not my shoulders, it's my neck. But all of this, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. Like this. Okay. Okay. Oops. All right. This we need because he's coming to our house. We're gonna have to have him. Okay. All right. I'm not doing those right now. Okay, now that I have all the counters cleaned off, now I have to empty out the refrigerator and clean out the refrigerator. Last week, in my last video, I show you these again. I showed you these. These are refrigerator shelf liners or bin liners, and I was going to clean out the refrige when I showed you these, but I didn't get to it, so I'm getting to it today. I'm getting to it today. So, I don't know if you can see the mess. Let me bring you closer, y'all. Let me bring you closer. I'll be on the other side. Oh yeah. Get all the things out. Coffee. Need to wash fruit. I'm only gonna do this shelf by shelf. Shelf by shelf. Garbage, garbage. She's gonna say these are still good, but I'm gonna put them in the freezer for her. Okay. So, I'm not gonna put the shelf liners on the glass shelves. I'm only gonna put them in the bins. I think I'll like them in the bins. So, I'm just gonna stick this stuff back in. Let's see if those things even go there. Okay, I gotta show you this, you guys. So I wanted to get a rotisserie chicken yesterday, and I wanted a salad with rotisserie chicken on top of it. That's what I wanted for dinner last night. They didn't have one. It was too late in the day. Evidently they've been picked over. But they keep these already pulled rotisserie chicken. This says traditional pulled rotisserie seasoned chicken. So I'm thinking traditional. It's probably what we usually get when we buy the whole chicken. Traditional, it is not. See that? That's traditional hot. I can look at it just by the pepper. I took one little bite and it burnt me up last night. So if I'm buying this kind, if they don't have a rotisserie chicken, then I need to get the other kind. I can't remember what it's called, but traditional ain't it. Traditional is not it. And I wouldn't have purchased this before, but Amber from the Farmhouse Tables, she purchases these, the other kind, not this one. And that's the one I should have gotten. And I know I would have loved it. So I'll try it though, because she is a big fan of these. So I'm gonna try it. It looks like we need butter, but I think we have butter in the garage. Let me go see. Let me go see. Yes, we do. We got 2 out in the garage. And I like to keep one behind here. And I like to keep 4 in here. So, right next to it. Y'all know I bought an egg holder in my shopping haul that I showed you, my last video. I bought an egg holder, holds 21 eggs. For those who haven't seen it, I got it at Home Goods. It was $6.99, so not a bad price at all. I love it. But if I put it in here, it takes up that space that I have the butter and the eggs. And I don't think I'm willing to give up that space because I love this. This has 2 sections in it, so I keep cream cheese in here and a little something, but my butter's always in here, and I just don't think I'm ready to give up the space. So my decision is to either return it, or we do keep a carton of eggs in the garage fridge. I could put the garage fridge eggs in this, but why? So I'm on the fence. Go back and get my $6.99. Go back and get my $6.99. You know what? This is where we keep meat, so I'm gonna put those in there. I'm even gonna put the bacon in there. I'll just tell Stacy if you're looking for bacon, it's in where the meat goes. Meat. Okay, y'all, I gotta show you something. This is dinner today, or leper. I have been looking for these for months. Lloyd's baby back pork ribs, okay? We went to a friend's and we had them for dinner with them, and they were delicious. And so since then, months ago, I've been looking for them. Walmart carries them. If you want to try them, they're not where the meats are. They're not in the frozen section. They're where the deli stuff is. So yesterday I found them in the bottom bin in the deli where they keep like the pre-made potato salads and macaroni salads and all of that. That's where these were. I found them. And I thought they were $9.99. They're not. So I thought they were $9.99, so I bought 2 of them. They're not. They're $19.97. So $40 worth of ribs is what I came home with yesterday. But we're having that for dinner today. I'm super excited about that. Okay. Oh. This little bin probably has a lot of stuff I can purge. I love a fresh, clean fridge. I love a fresh, clean fridge. So some of this stuff can go. Oh, you guys, these are so good. These are so good, little single serve. I bought them because when Stacy was out of town, I fixed some taco meat and I thought I can eat tacos for 3 days. So I used this, like not even a half of a one, for one little burrito thing. So this lasted me for like 3 of my burritos, and 6 come in a pack. So anyway, that's good bang for the buck. See this stuff? We have ranch dressing. We don't need these. Taking up space. This is garbage. Yeah, sometimes you got to make an executive decision, and I just made one. This is still good, so I'll keep it. These I want to use up. Cream cheese, we'll put that in there. Guacamole back in here. I think that's all that needs to go in there. Maybe I'll put there. Maybe I'll put biscuits in here. Okay. Perfect. Meat back in here. cheese sticks in. So that needs to be wiped out. And I don't know, is this where I want the shelf liner? Oh, I love it. We're gonna try it, but I have to cut it. But I have to cut it. Oh, you guys, these are easy to cut. Okay, let's just do, oh yeah. That needs another little strip cut. I want it to fit in there. You guys, these were, I don't remember how much they were, but they were not very much. Like $3.99 or something. One more. Okay, come on. Did I do put it in there wrong? Cutting it wrong? Okay, that's it. I'm not cutting it. Oh, perfect. That's pretty cute, y'all. Okay, and then the bin won't slide around. Okay, so cheese sticks. This needs to be wiped out too. Are y'all cleaning your fridge with me, or am I the only one? Am I the only one cleaning a fridge today? I might even be motivated enough to go out and clean the garage fridge. Which basically what that means is I have some Propel water and some orange juice and that I have not put in there in the fridge, and I want to stock it, so this is a good day to do that. So there is some cheese there, and here, my favorite is Colby Jack. Love Colby Jack. Most of the time this fits in here. I might have to put some in the garage, which I'm okay with. Yeah, we'll just do that. I'll put the rest in the garage in a little container. So that's how I like to keep our cheese sticks. And then these I'll take out to the garage. What does this say? I used to have this in my closet. Cuffs and elastic bracelets. Cuffs and elastic bracelets. And I like my cheese in the back and the other cheese in the front. So now the cuffs will be in the back. There we go. More cheese will fit in there. Yeah. good. All this garbage. I don't even know what this is. This must have been from one Kelly's here. So I'm gonna put that right there because it's still good. The meats, garbage. Oh, I think I'm gonna like the bin. Because then my feta cheese won't slide. I'm loving it already. Love it already. Okay. This taco blend. And then we have another taco blend. Oh, it's Fiesta blend. I don't care. The taco blend and the Fiesta blend. Nothing wrong with that. Is there anything else that can be? Jack. Okay. Slices. Let's get this back. Slices here. Slices there. All right. We have Monterey Jack. We have provolone and mozzarella blend. And you know what? I'm gonna mix them. I'm gonna mix them. I'll mix them. It's okay. It's okay. So there's Monterey Jack, mozzarella, and provolone. There's that. Here's a little bit of sharp cheddar. I'll stick that right there. Here's a big Colby Jack. This is the kind Stacy likes. She likes the big Colby Jack because what she does is she puts it in a bowl and melts it and eats it. Just like that. And then there's Fiesta blend. We need a bigger cheese drawer. We are cheese loving people. That might be on my agenda, y'all. Switching the cheese to the bottom drawer. Yeah. Okay. What is this bin? This can be thrown away. Here's some sunflower seeds that I'm still using. Get rid of that. Is this one any good? One of these I didn't like. One of these I didn't like. Oh. On the border. I think I didn't like the on the border. But I like Tostitos. I'm almost sure. Stacy will like this though. I'll keep that one. Back there. And I'll let her know it's here. Marinara sauce. Okay, we're gonna have some cheese sticks. Oh, I know I like Tostitos because of the big old jar that's never been opened. This we have not used. I bought this to put on cream cheese for a get together we were going to, but we didn't go to. And then this tomato and roasted red pepper soup. I bought this for a recipe. It's still good, so I'm gonna keep it. And I need to look the recipe up because I don't know. Okay, so that's that. Oops. No, it's not. Take that shelf off. Okay, get my drink. Okay, let's get it back in. So the door shuts. You got that in there now? Yes. Oh, this bin says Mergenny. So my sister lived with us for a little over a year and she moved to Indiana in November. Hello, if you're watching, Mergenny. Your bin still has your name on it. Your little bin. This was her bin in our fridge. Okay, this is salsa that Stacy made. So good. What is that? That can go there. I need to wash these. I'm gonna put those up there and I will do that later. That's not on my mission right now. Tomatoes, we gotta get to. I'll wash those and cut those. Cottage cheese. Sour cream. Cottage cheese. Almonds. I feel like throwing this away. Great Value tartar sauce. I tried it last week. It's awful. My tartar sauce is way better. I can toss that. Butter. Flour tortillas. Okay. Sticking that right there, y'all. That's where the meat goes, so that's where that's gonna go. Okay, everything else. Oh, that's good. That's good. The ribs are good. Okay, now. Let that lie. There's a tomato that is still good. And slice those up. Red onion, red onion, red onion. That's garbage. So, it's a little rough. Okay. We're gonna put a liner in that drawer. Not good. Hold on. I don't want to take the drawers out today. I don't want to do it. Like how I measure? I'm measuring. That's where I need to cut. That's where I need to cut. Right there. Let's see. I feel like I'm crafting. I feel like I'm crafting. Okay. Perfect. So on the drawer one, you know how the drawer sometimes in the back slant up? It goes up the slant a little bit, but that's okay. That's okay. Now, what are we keeping? We're keeping broccoli. Lettuce and carrots. Carrots. That's lettuce that can go. Okay, that cucumber has to go. I don't know, are we having fun yet, y'all? This one is even smaller. I think I'm not going to use a new one. I think I'm going to use the two that I've cut. Brilliant. I'm here all day. I'm here all the day long. Yep. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty cool. Okay, this and this. This gets the bottom drawer. All the things that go in the bottom drawer. Lettuce. This drawer. This lettuce can go in the bottom drawer. Cucumbers can go in this drawer. Y'all, I love these. I absolutely love these. The little minis. Oh, I love that. And some people won't use a cut onion or put it in their fridge. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. So those are going in there. This I'll take the. Normally I don't keep my onions in the fridge from the store, but that one ended up in there, so I'm gonna keep it in there. Just this one will. This one will get rid of. The ribs gotta go back in there. I'm really excited for dinner. Okay. And flour tortillas. I'm gonna put those in here too. I think that's it. That's it. On the door. We got ranch. So this is empty except for the juice. This is martini olives that are marinated with vermouth. I guess that's alcohol. I don't know. But I thought, I love it. I absolutely love it. And I kept it because I thought, maybe I'll just sip one. Vermouth. Haven't yet. Bye-bye. But it's good, y'all. It's good. It's good. Okay, so that's that. These. That's the Italian. It's still good. Yep. Yep. This one isn't open and I don't think it's any good. What do you do? October of 24. I'm gonna look it up. If any of you know, let me know. This is not open. It's been refrigerated since I brought it home from the store, which was probably in September. And maybe July, I don't know. But it says October of 24. It's classic Caesar. If it's still good, I'm gonna use that up on something. Same with this one. Oh, October of 24. And I wanted to do, so I don't have spinach here, but I do have regular lettuce that I can use. but I wanted to do the lettuce, uh, strawberry, pecan, feta salad with this raspberry vinaigrette. So I'll look those up and see. This is from a different salad thing that can go. Okay, that's good. Good. Garlic, ketchup, mustard, chicken finger sauce, cocktail sauce. Y'all, cocktail sauce, that's the one right there. Great Value cocktail sauce, that's a good one. Okay, but the tartar sauce, not so much. Okay, I think that's good. I think all of these things are good. And I'm gonna take them out of there. It hasn't been that long ago since I wiped that out. And mission accomplished. Okay, so the kitchen has had a reset. The refrigerator has been cleaned out. I may or may not, I don't know, do a video of me in the garage doing the garage refrigerator. But for now, I am going to say that my Saturday mission is complete, and I feel really good about that. I hope that watching anybody, because I watch all of them, y'all, I watch all of them, and they all encourage me, and they all inspire me, and they all motivate me. So I'm hoping that if y'all stuck around and watched me work my butt off to a sweat, cleaning out the fridge and doing a kitchen reset, that y'all got motivated and inspired and encouraged too, to get something done, even if it's not a kitchen reset and even if it's not the fridge, just something. So I have cleaned the office carpet this morning. I'm gonna be doing the dining room and the living room and the bedroom, but I'm not gonna do that yet because Stacy is sleeping. And so I'll find another project then, or get on here and watch one of you guys. Get on YouTube and watch one of you do a haul or something. But anyway, y'all have a great rest of the day. It's really cloudy here in Dallas, and the sun's supposed to come out around 2 o'clock. So I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna get some stuff done, because at 2 o'clock, if the sun comes out, I wanna be out there laying in the sun. So y'all have a great rest of your day. Happy Saturday and happy cleaning.